face, I type that. Bitch sit on my face, I type that. Choose up, little jump.
Hello guys, I'm Ivor. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the shoe flip transition TikTok video. Woo!
Me, like she like me. Only rocks in my green tea. I'll keep the best interest.
So all you need is a pair of shoes. Like, duh. And it's almost the same as the other transition video where you start with no makeup and lazy clothes. And when the bit hits, you gotta transform to a bad bitch. So there are transitions that does like this. When you throw the shoes and do the leg like this. I personally find this is harder. Instead of this, do like this. When you throw your shoes, you gotta make sure that it's kind of like cover half of the screen, so it makes a good transition. So like this, like this. See? So the next scene, when a bit hits, it looks like it's kicking like this. It takes a few couples of tries to get it right. Now select a song and set it on timer until the bit hits. But for the first part, you gotta walk in with your ugly face, ugly clothes, and throw your shoes like how I showed you. To make sure this transition goes perfectly, I'm gonna rehearse the second part in my ugly clothes before I put on my makeup and change my clothes. Once you're satisfied with two parts, click on adjust the clips, click on the first clip, and trim it to the part where the shoe cover half of the screen like this. Now let's see the second part of me kicking is smooth enough or not. Oh shit, yes, it was so smooth. Okay, now just delete the second part that we rehearsed in our ugly clothes because we're about to shoot the second part with our nice clothes and makeup on. Okay, get ready, put your shoes on and set it on a timer and kick. Oh, yep, I just tripped. Now for the second part, try to kick it to the same direction as the first part where it froze. And then you may proceed to hold around freestyle. You finally got the two parts done, and this is how you actually get the perfect transitions. Click on the adjust clips. Now tap on the first part and adjust at the end of the clip to a point where the shoe is covering half of the screen or half of the body because we want to get rid of the shoe falling down part. Now tap on the second part and adjust a little bit in the beginning of the video to a point where the shoe is in a similar position as the first part.
Bitch sit on my face, I type that. Bitch sit on my face, I type that. Bitch sit on my face, I type that. I'll keep the best interest.
Once you master... Stupid can you stop? I did a hair flip transition, it's almost the same as this. So once you master the trick of transition, you can do any of them. Good luck. So that's all I got for you guys. If you have any questions, just leave comments down below, and if you want me to do a tutorial of any videos, just comment down below, let me know. And until then, take care, stay safe, and like and subscribe, and see you next time.